Hello, my name is Patricia Jabin. I'll be talking about overweight and obesity. Did you know that overweight and obesity is one of the major causes of death around the world today? Did you also know that individuals who are overweight or obese are prone to developing non-communicable diseases like stroke, diabetes, heart diseases, and some cancers? Yes. Overweight and obesity incidence has been rampant in recent years and has been a concern for public health professionals. Overweight and obesity affect both children and adults. Statistics indicate that from 1975 to date, over 1.9 billion people all over the world are overweight and obese. In 2019, an estimated 38.2 million children under the age of 5 were overweight and obese globally. In Ghana specifically, analysis indicates that up to 43% of Ghanaian adults is either obese or overweight. The fundamental cause of being overweight and obese is related to the individual's lifestyle, including eating habits and what we eat, though it's also been suggested that genetics, psychological factors, as well as some medication also play a role. Despite the fact that overweight and obesity is one of the major leading causes of death around the world as a result of its association with chronic diseases such as high cholesterol, diabetes, stroke, and more, majority of people still believe that not being big enough is a sign of poor nutrition and poor living. Not long ago, I befriended a plus-size lady while doing my clinical. A very nice lady. She reported to the hospital one day for medical assessment because she was experiencing some symptoms. After a series of tests conducted, she was diagnosed of having diabetes. She was just 23 years old. It was the saddest moment for her and her family. She couldn't hold back her tears. You can imagine the pain of being diagnosed of diabetes at your age. In addition to developing non-communicable diseases, being overweight and obese is linked to developing severe problems affecting the psychological health of individuals, including depression, eating disorders, anxiety, and substance abuse. The quality of life of individuals is impacted negatively because of their excess weight. Many are suffering from stigma and discrimination. Now the call is on all of us to promote healthy living among ourselves and reduce weight to prevent chronic diseases. We can do that by simply changing our lifestyles, including what and how we eat, and engaging in physical activities more. A single support from you will boost someone's confidence. I know you can do it, and we all will do it. Thank you all for making time to listen to this message. You are invited to add your voices to encourage people to choose healthy lifestyles and reduce weight. You can visit my website, Overweight and Obesity, for more information on the subject.